You're not doing the pool. I'm on my way to the Korean market for the very, very first time. I am so excited and I'm so honored to bring you guys at home watching this right now along.
Korean condom.
Okay, my first time of Korean kundon. You're not doing the pool. I'm gonna eat my pizza. Oh my god. This is a poke bowl.
No.
It's a chicken and rice.
This is the cookie and this is chicken. So the chicken.
What is this?
The cookie.
What is the cookie? The poke.
Rice cakes.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try this.
Dakgangjang. What is it? I don't know what you said. I just said.
I've never eaten like this. I only want the sushi. Do they have sushi? And everything is halal.
Yeah, they're cute.
This tastes like a home cooked meal.
It's really nice. I think it's something.
That's Korean rice, no? So don't expect Indian rice.
Yo, you guys are like introducing me to the rice
Yes,
style. Yo, shukran ladies.
You must try the rice cake also.
Oh yes, okay, so this Amira wants me to try so badly.
I don't know if you like it, but I love it.
It's nice. It reminds me of I'm not gonna get the name.
But it's basically rice cake.
So after that delicious Korean meal, I decided to give you guys a store tour, just to show you what it looks like around here. So any Korean snacks that you've seen on any Korean movies, or anything that you're interested in tasting, or if you just want to taste it in general, this is the place to come. They have some delicious halal snacks and it's all for affordable prices. I really admire the packaging because for me it's like so dreamy and cartoon like, so I was really taken aback by that. The only thing that there's that eggs that I always see on TikTok when they're like cleaning their house and they make that eggs. Oh my word, it was so cool seeing it in real life. The only thing that I feel was missed out was like a photo booth. That would have been so Koreanish to have a photo booth in the store. But this is so cool. I hope you enjoy this little tour that I'm giving you.